What's up, guys? William Agnew here. Just wanted to post another video today. I posted a video yesterday. It's getting a little bit of flack from some people because what they don't understand is the repair is just the vehicle. It's actually the skill set to understand how to get the money out of it. And that's what we teach here at Cellular Repair School. So if you look at the video we did yesterday, the Ferrari is just an example of the skill set you need to get the money out of the tool that you actually have. So when you're looking at something like this, it's just the tool. This is a back glass remover. We just had a class on this, teaching our students how to remove glass from iPhone 8, anything from iPhone 8 to iPhone 12, right? And if it makes sense to actually do. Does it make sense to invest in it? Does it not, right? It just depends on how much you do. These are the kind of things that we actually talk about, how to get the money out of what you do. It's not just repairing devices. It's not just repairing laptops or iPads or tablets. It's about understanding when that makes sense in regards to making money. That's what most people miss and most people don't understand. So the example I gave yesterday with the Ferrari was an example of how to fix and flip. It was the concept of buying low, adding value, putting it back into the marketplace and making that profit. That's what we do with everything. Once you guys understand that concept, then you'll understand how to get the money out of what you actually do. With that being said, this is William Agnew. Hope you guys will join, right? Again, if you're interested, click the link below and go ahead and get started learning how to make money in an industry, just about any industry, that is a fix and flip repair industry that allows you to identify opportunity, upgrade opportunity, and put that opportunity back into the marketplace. This is William Agnew. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.